Hello everyone, my name is Sharon Rose Dan Vecino.
And I'm Sharon Rose Master Faye Vecino of
Atomy,
Atomy, Canada.
And
This is our journey.
Hello everyone, I'm Sharon Rose Master Dan Vecino
And I'm Sharon Rose Master Faye Vecino
of
Atomy, Canada. Welcome to the Hello ASMR. From the Philippines, about 35 years ago, me and my family, together with my sisters and my parents, migrated to Canada from the Philippines.
In a few years, I follow here in Canada. And we enjoy life here in Canada.
In the beginning, it was especially about raising our kids because we were raised in a different way. So we really struggled. It was a big challenge. We sort of didn't know how to. But then along the way, we kind of learned. And I think the key thing is balance. Balancing what we've learned and adapting to the new culture. So getting the balance between those two is the key.
Everyone has an equal opportunity and ability to be great and be successful here in Canada. It's a lot of hard work, but the opportunity is ready for you to use it. I choose Atomy Canada because this is once in a lifetime opportunity, and it impacted my life, the way I take care of my consumers and my partners, and how to have a balanced life, and that is to live well, love, learn, and contribute. My goals this year are really amazing because I want to make more leaders in my center, and at the same time I know that leaders will bring partners and partners will bring consumers. So that was really amazing that we will try to work it out this year. Wow, it's doing Atomy for the past 3 years. I learned that submission to the system of Atomy and applying it to your daily life is very important. Also, I learned that company motto embodies how I must do the business, and I could encourage and teach my team to do the same. Wow, teamwork. And in Atomy, teamwork, I could say that this is number one because being a part of Atomy Canada thought that the crucial of your success is through teamwork and working together, communicating in open, and supporting each other as to reach out your goals, at the same time working in every way and every decisions you're gonna make that someone of your team will grow and be successful. And that is the strongest growth of your business in Atomy. Wow, that talent really excites me because this talent is doing ice curving. It is using the big block of ice. Basically, it's just a wood curving, but instead of wood, you use a block of ice. And I love curving different shapes, like a dove, a swan. And this is the thing that I really challenge myself because there is two things in there. You need to have speed and accuracy in a certain time, or else the ice will melt. So because of that, I really love doing this. I hope I could show this to someone in my team, and they will be challenged about this. Wow, it's this one. I really admire the first Imperial Master that I met in person. Is Imperial Master Guang Yol Kim. Because of this, I was challenged and encouraged about his journey in Atomy, and I'm really excited if I have a chance to have a dinner with him, and of course with the CEO, with how he started Atomy and give me the inspiration to do from scratch, not to look at my past, but to look forward and I could help someone else to grow and to duplicate what I did with this business in Atomy.
And for me, it would be Chairman Park and 13th Imperial Master Yung Sun Yun, because I want to thank Chairman Park for fulfilling the 3 promises that Imperial Master asked him to fulfill. And those are be successful, do not harm others, and preach the gospel, which I think really embodies what Atomy is, and it makes every Atomian truly fulfill what it means to be an Atomian. Oh my gosh, okay. So I think it was about when my daughter was 10 years old, and I took her to amusement park, and she asked me to ride the roller coaster with her. So I'm not very good at heights, but because she was young, I had to ride with her. And oh my gosh, I thought I would die. I thought that was the end of my life. So would I ever do it again? Absolutely not.
Wow, this one is riding a motorcycle. But this motorcycle is not an ordinary one. It is a motocross motorcycle. And I go uphill, downhill, rough road, and jump on the hills. And you can see that it's the same thing with my Atomy. It's like I'm doing on the rough road, long time, and like you give up. But the thing is, the joy at the end, you accomplish big things, and you give you the joy of doing it.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really, in the Philippines growing up, I remember with my friends would go downhill, the very steep hill, and using just the coconut leaves. There's a part in there that's very slippery. And when we move here in Canada, I discover that people here are also doing the same thing, except they go downhill on the snowy hill. So it makes me like, oh, it's almost the same, but it's different location, different terrain.
Yes.
But this is the fun thing that I could always smile when I remember this. And here in Canada, they call it tobogganing.
For me, actually, this is really true. So when me and my sisters were growing up, we would play house. And then we would pretend that with the push of a button, like drinks would come out, like juice or milk or pop. Because back in the Philippines, those drinks are expensive. So, we don't get those every time. We just drink water. And then when we moved to the US, lo and behold, those machines do exist, right? The pop machine, where the push of a button and the pop comes out, or coffee. So we were like so amazed when we discovered, wow, we were just imagining it, but it actually is for real. So that is really cool. Okay, so I was making spaghetti sauce one time, and I put condensed milk when I make spaghetti sauce. And then my son saw me, and he goes, "Are you making dessert, or are you making spaghetti sauce?" I'm like, this is my secret ingredient, because it gives the sauce a little bit of sweet taste. So it's not as tangy as what spaghetti sauce usually is, but when people taste my spaghetti, they would always say, there's something different. It's the condensed milk.
For me, I'll go Switzerland.
Me too, Switzerland.
Yeah, because I love the mountains, the valleys in there, and then I like the scenery. That's really very calm and relax your mind.
Yeah, and for me, actually, before I even became an addict of K-drama, when I watched Crash Landing on You, I put Switzerland in my bucket list. So that's why Switzerland.
Yeah, I'm really passionate with doing designs and building, and especially in a structure, that you do it from scratch, and then from paper into finished product. And this is really a big thing that I feel accomplishment. It's like my journey in Atomy. I did it from sales master, and it's really not easy in the beginning because it's new thing, but it give me accomplishment right now, and it happened, and it becoming, I could share it to my leaders and my partners. I really say thank you to all Atomian out there, global and in Canada, and I really appreciate your dedication and support. And together we make a great team, and grateful to each one that who make these things happen. My encouragement to you is, in the beginning, it's not easy. It's a new thing to all of us. We have a lot of experience. We don't want to carry this experience through this journey, because sometimes that experience we will give up. But through Atomy, just keep going. It's like a seed that you plant, later on you cultivate slowly, and it become a tree. When it become a tree, it give you a good harvest. That harvest, it will not stay as it is, but it move into the third generation. So don't give up. Just do it to the end. Aja, aja, aja.